The reality is government contracting is actually very simple once you understand how it all works, right? I promise you it is the simplest thing ever. The problem is there's too much information out there, so people easily get lost, right? There's different pieces of the puzzle with government contracting, but there's no one place to go put all the pieces together, right? Well, we created that one place where we take all the little pieces of government contracting and give you the entire map so you can say, okay, this is government contracting right here, right? Because before you probably had this piece and this piece and this piece, you're trying to put it together and it was not working, right? So what we've done is we've created a simple process, a step-by-step process that shows you everything from A through Z about government contracting. It makes it super easy to understand, and that's why my content, is usually helping a lot of people because I simplify it. Okay, that's the thing. You want to make it simpler, and that's what we did, right? So if you want to learn government contracting, obviously just follow us and watch our content. I give away a lot of information for free, right? Go to my YouTube, go to my Instagram, go to my Facebook, right? Register for a free training where we show you step by step how to win those government contracts. But overall, just by watching our content, you will instantly understand how everything comes together, and it makes more sense for you. Then it's your job to now go implement, right, that process that I've showed you, right, to win government contracts. You really only one contract away, and I promise you, government contracting is very simple once you understand it. If you don't understand it, yes, it's complicated, right? But just keep following us, right? And I promise you, you will eventually get to the finish line and win some government contracts. Let's go.